Alright, so you're about to witness a fix of a hell of a shape problem.
Alright, so I just recently had my hair in twists, in mini twists. So if you've seen the previous video, you know I was doing it as a protective style, and unfortunately I was cutting on my hair as it was in that style. So thus came out this. This is a shape that is created out of mistake. And does it happen? Yes, it does, especially to someone who doesn't mind cutting their hair because it grows like weeds. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix my cut. So shape is everything to me. So I don't know when the next time I will decide to put my hair in a twist, but I thought at that point I was fixing the shape and cutting some hair down because my hair just grows so annoyingly fast, and I need to stop complaining about that. But I'm just going to use what I did was I took it out. I sprayed my hair with some water and oil just so I could be able to detangle it, twist it as I continue to take all of those individual twists out. So thus here we are with my hair afroed, which I prefer to shape my hair when it's in an afro because, like I said, shape is everything. And you see what's going on with my hair. So it's like totally off. So I am picking my hair out first to see what my shape looks like and how I could personally fix it, which I can see how I can personally fix it. So I'm going to use scissors first. Well, not scissors. I'm going to use shears. So shears and scissors are two different things. Scissors, there's paper scissors, there's other kinds of scissors, but these are shears that you use to cut hair. They should be sharp, and there is a certain way that you should be holding them. Everybody's different, so if you got a specific way that you hold them and it's not either of the ways you just saw me do it, who cares? It works for me. So I'm cutting my own hair. So I'm probably gonna be holding them slightly different. So I'm picking my hair out just to see how the shape goes, because if I ever want to wear my hair in an afro, I need to see how, you know, it's gonna look. So I'm picking it out first. So I'm gonna put my thing on, which I should anyway. And I'm gonna start with the back. So I always use, yeah, you can see the camera. Always use a mirror for your back. I'm going to use my shears and I'm gonna slowly cut away certain areas just to bring the shape in. Now you can do this with clippers, but right now I'm just trying to shape it with my scissors for now. There's parts of my hair that drastically need to be shaped like here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly cut in an angle, but bluntly. You don't want to like shear through your hair because it makes your ends feel really, really bad. I'm just gonna say that. So I'm going to cut in an angle, but in a blunt angle, to fix this hump that's going on in the top of my head. So lifting and cutting in an angle, but bluntly cutting directly across.
I'm just talking.
Charity, this big bang.
The world told me to be minor. They say don't see major things be wiser. See minor, but see I'm still strong as that vagina that I came from. I'm exterior designer of my days, bro. I got the hookup like I got the hiccups. The universe fuck with me. And when I get shook up, I just pick a book up and write all my bugs away. It might be bugs on a lot of you mugs, but it ain't no bugs on me. I spell it to them just like M-A-J-A. That's on all my niggas. That's on all my niggas from the block.
So as you see, I'm not speeding this video up because I want you to see how I do it in real time. It's not sped up too fast if I did speed it up, but yes, I want you guys to see it in real time of what I'm doing. So there's a lot of this is going to be shaved off, because if you look at the very back, you can see that there's still that hump, and I'm trying to lead everything off into that. So it's going to be much easier for me to do that using my clippers to do that. So I want to blend this short and blend that right on out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the number 3 guard, and I'm just going to go up in that direction. Actually, I'm going to start with the number 4 guard. Let's start with the number 4 guard.
That's on all my niggas. That's on all my niggas from the block. We made it. Yeah, won't you tell them we made it? Yeah, won't you tell them we made it? Yeah, won't you tell them we made it? Tell them we made it. Eckhart told me to be present. Sagaru told me that clarity was essence. Charity, don't forget it. You can treat life like it was treasure. It is gold, and Jill Scott already has said it. You should know.
So as you can see, the number 4 guard blended that all in pretty smoothly. Yeah. So I have a little less hair everywhere else, which is kind of my goal, and to have most of my length right in the front. I believe I need to clip my ends in the front, so I am going to do that. But before, I'm just checking my shape, because you guys know how I feel about shape. It's everything. This shape looks a little more, okay, here we are. So my hair looks funny from one side to the other. I know that. But that has everything to do with what I'm going to do with the front of it. So now I'm going to go with the number 3 guard. And I'm only going to focus on the lower aspect of my hair. So I'm going to focus only on the lower aspect of my hair, because naturally, just genetically, I have lumps right here. Well, I have a lump here on, this is the right side of my head. So I have a slight lump. So when my hair grows, it looks lumpier on one side than the other. Can you guys tell? Like, this looks less lumpy than this side. So I try to balance it out by blending. I don't want to necessarily what I don't want to do. I don't want to necessarily do a fade or anything. I just want to have enough hair that's still on my hair, but it fades from one length to the other. So I'm just going to start on the back and go upwards instead of downwards.
You got a mission to make a tradition of spreading the joy around. All you envision will come to exist if you keep making joyful sounds. So I got love for every one of you mugs, cause there's so much love on me. I spell it to them just like M-A-J-A. That's on all my niggas.
Now I'm going to use my tapered guards and just kind of clean up each side of my hair. Now, a while back, I used to have a line. I cut a line on this side. I might redo it. I don't know how I feel about it, but I want to use my tapered guards in order to like clean up my sides. So you have to use, when you're cutting your own hair, you use the opposing side. So this is for my right ear guard. This is the right ear guard. So I would use it on my left, and then I would use the left ear guard on my right.
That's on all my niggas from the block. That's on all my niggas. That's on all my niggas from the block. We made it. Yeah, won't you tell them we made it? Yeah, won't you tell them we made it?
All right, so now I'm going to check into my length here. There's nothing wrong with cutting. What I'm saying. Dusting means that you would take sections of your hair while it's wet and you would twist it. So you would twist your hair all the way through. And then you would check your ends to see if they need to be, oh God, what the hell am I doing? You would check your ends to see if they need to be clipped. So that's called dusting. I've done videos of that before, but you would twist your hair at the ends and you would check to see if they look like really scraggly or ratty. You can choose to do that, but I wear my hair a lot more in the wash and go style. So I don't do dusting anymore, even though I just recently did that and messed up my cut. Well, I didn't mess it up. I know how to fix it. But I'm going to shape the front of my hair a little bit more, which means I'm going to use scissors to do that. I have areas of my hair that falls in a way that I don't like. Like this falls too long and I'm okay with it, but I just want it to be shaped a certain way. So, and this allows me to clip my ends. For me, I don't prefer to straighten my hair to clip my ends. I mean, let's just be real. Like, men get their hair cut, they don't deal with perms and all of that, and they get their hair cut and they don't have to straighten their hair to clip their ends and just cut their hair. But I kind of feel the same way when it comes to natural hair, black women, natural hair, especially if you wear your hair in a short cut. So that whole clipping your ends and all of that stuff has to do with hair growth and hair health. And I agree with it. I just choose a different method to do so. So this is the method that I choose to do it. And it works for me. And when I do this way, and after I wash and co-wash and style my hair, my ends look amazing. They look 10 times better. So like right now you can see my shape just looks slightly different from one side to the other. This side it looks a little bit more flat, but nothing that a comb and scissors can't fix. I'm just checking.
Won't you tell her we made you? Tell her we made you, we made you. Oh no, my niggas. Oh no, my niggas. Oh no, my niggas. Oh no, my.
And this is just how I shape my fro if I had to shape it. And wear my hair just like this, but I'm not, because I prefer my hair curly. So we're gonna see how it turns out after I wash it. My scalp is pretty dry, but last thing I need to do is line up, and then I'm done.
I just learned I'm powerful. Yes, indeed, I'm powerful. A nigga got peace, oh yeah. I'm feeling 10 feet tall, yeah. I had to just recharge, yeah. And now we gon' reap all, yeah. Been living on seesaws, yeah. But life is gon' seem hard, yeah. You gotta just keep on, yeah. Then you can break free, oh yeah, oh yeah. You ever wonder what freedom felt like? What a moment minus thinking felt like, what it felt like a smooth pool table, which you choose to enable your voice to belt life. And I think I know how peace feels. It feels like be still, and it damn near feels like 3 wheels on my trike bike back when I was like 5, living life for the cheap thrills. I can bring back the higher got bolos. Bolos, bolos, bolos. You want blessings, I got bolos. Bolos, bolos, bolos. You want blessings? I've been playing it by ear. I've been saying this my year for like 10 motherfucking years. But this time this shit for real. Now I'm living in abundance. In the vortex, I'm in gear. Shout out Abraham and Esther. They inspired this right here. We was wildin' for that while I came at G&S and Skate Road. That's your girl. What we gon' make her wanna shake her money maker. Shout out DJ Chippy. Maybe that's on both them. That's on baby. They gon' instantly start juking when they hear this voice. Stop playing. I got bolos. Bolos, bolos, bolos. You want blessings, I got bolos. Bolos, bolos, bolos. You want blessings, I got bolos. Bolos, bolos, bolos. You want blessings, I got bolos. Bolos, bolos, bolos. You want blessings. We juking a broad day. We juking the hallway. We reaching our goals. We dripping and gold like it was the Bronze Age. I had a bomb day. My life is behind gray. I'm feeling the world. I shit with a girl that thick as Beyonce. Yeah. I got super joy, super joy. I got happiness. My apple making soup. But noise, life is wonderful.
All right, I'm done. Simple, simple, simple. So my shape has been reshaped or revamped. Less hair, which I'm totally fine with that because I like my hair short. Not only that, it is supposed to be summer. I don't know what's going on here in Detroit, but my hair is back to normal from that wonderful twist out that I had. But now my shape is fixed. I still have my signature look and I'm happy. It was a lot easier to style and dry because I had less hair. So other than that, if you enjoyed this video, if this was informational for you, if this helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me and subscribing. I'm going to be doing more videos, more blog videos, more natural hair videos. I'm trying, guys. You see, I do a plethora of things. So always picking up the camera to do something sometimes slips my mind because I have adult ADHD. But who doesn't? But other than that, make sure you subscribe to me and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.
I like this much better because my hair just seems so much more, the cut is so much more refined. Like, God, I'm bomb ass with some scissors. I should agree.